Oh, good evening to my followers. Um, just going to quickly run through the gold trade that we took today. Again, taken live. The trade itself was um, called out before we took it. We waited for our setup. We then waited for our entry, and we executed. And I made around, I think it was 25, maybe just under 30 pips today. Um, But yeah, I'll quickly run through that for you. If you like this content, hit the like, hit the subscribe. I'll go live as much as I can Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. Um, I won't trade every single day because I don't think every day will meet my criteria. But as soon as something comes up, then I'll be all over it. We can throw out ideas and we can throw out um, our technical analysis to each other. So yeah, anyway, without a further ado, here we go. So I come to the charts a little bit later today. I was supposed to be for 8, but I'm an absolute computer virgin. I don't know how to do YouTuber streams or anything. So when I tried to get on my live stream, I just couldn't connect it, and it took me about an hour, 2 hours to figure it out. Anyway, oh look, gold's setting up for a nice one now at the daily pivot point here. Nice 15 minute. If this 15-minute candle closes down here, I know this is a video for the trade we took, but I'm calling it now. It's 14:14. If this candle closes while I do this video to you, I might execute that one as well. Anyway, we'll go through this. I don't just jump into trades. So um, as we can see, gold's been pushing up, and then it broke this trend line and it come up for a test. This would have been an ideal time to get in. However, I were at the computer at the time. And then it's putting this support, wrong resistance level up here. As you can see, it's respecting it now, so we could end up getting a Monday afternoon trade if we're lucky. Come to the computer this morning, and I think it was about about 9:30 I got in. 10 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock. I think I managed to get here. By the time I'd analysed the Dixie chicken, Aussie, Japanese yen I was interested in as well. That's not played out. It's consolidating at the minute, as you can see. Well, yeah, as you can see, it's consolidating. I'm waiting for a break to the upside, really. Um, I was thinking of maybe trying to get in here with these big rejections. I mean, it's been here for what, over an hour now. So yeah, and it's here as well. Um, so anyway, we're not here to trade the yen. We're here to break down gold trade. Oh, beauty! I absolutely knew it trading through as well, guys. So just bear with us. So yeah, let's. I'm gonna have to get a pro account, and so I can thing. I'm on the freebie account, so I can't like. This is how you know I didn't fucking bullshit it because I can't even go back. But anyway, price pushed down. Respected this level. As you can see, previously it's respected it here. So this was what I call a POR, wrong. What do I call it? Point of interest, POI, and that's where I was looking for myself really. So it come down and it come straight back up, and I thought indecision. I don't normally trade these candles. They look like Kit Kats, don't they? Just like three finger Kit Kats. Normally you get two like this. I don't like to trade them normally. Got another pair here. Just says to me the market just doesn't know which way it wants to go. But anyway, we come back up here, and as you can see, we just had a beautiful downtrend forming. Um, Called it out. I knew it was on the arse end of it. but my understanding was if we got in, we had a good 1-to-1, and as you can see, we were squeezing into this gap here. So what normally happens is it just bounces and bounces and bounces and then falls through the floor. Now, obviously, this one's jumped through the ceiling. You can never predict these things. But because we've managed to get in up here, that were a good 40 pips. And then target 2 was down here. It was just an absolute beauty setup. So we executed with good risk management, meaning we took a smaller lot size. We also managed it on the smaller time scales. So as you can see, if we go down to the minute, absolutely gorgeous, textbook downtrend. We come back up here, put in this little indecision. It's not support or resistance, too small, but it's like an indecision. The market's come up, hit the brick wall again, and knocked itself all the way back down. And as you can see from there to there is about 20 pips. Look at that, we had a nice 1-to-4 for a Monday morning. A 1-to-4 would have been absolutely beauty, and we thought it was gonna go just here, but the market told us otherwise. So that's why we've got to keep an eye on these trades. So anyway, it beautifully just pushed straight down, hit our TP1, which fucking absolutely shocking. Admin have not put in TP1. Click that. I'm getting used to which buttons to click on. Yeah. So TP1 hit. To that end, we then, well, I advised, I took 75% of my profits. I also moved my remaining profits into break even, which means even if the market comes back, say I've made £7.50 here by taking 75% of my 10 quid that I bet. If the market comes back here, then I just keep the £7.50. Does that make sense to you? So yeah, basically I moved it to break even. If it fell down, we'd have hit TP2, and we was talking huge numbers here. I think off top of my head, I'm not even going to do it off top of my head, I'm going to measure it. Where's my proper... $7.51.6. Yeah, we'd have got 70 pips all in there, and then we had a TP2, a TP3 down there, which was 80 pips, all in 80 pips. You could have just switched your computer off for the full week if you caught that move. But yeah, I didn't have enough in. TP1, TP2. I got my money and I bounced. The market then decided to start pushing down. So we thought, hey, up, we've brought the line here. Normally there's a lot of sellers here because this was just clean air. So we thought if it breaks and closes below, which you can see it did, we'll home dry. But it wasn't the case. As soon as it moved back up to TP1, I then secured the remainder of these 10 pips, which got me roughly, I think it was like 33 pips all in, because I risk managed it to break even, and then I took the rest before it went to my stop loss. I thought if it breaks back out, we can look for another entry, but it never did. So we banked another 10 pips there just by not being greedy and just by sticking to the plan, sticking to the rules of our game. But yeah, do you know what? It's fucking buzzing doing this live. Especially with the group chat going, everyone throwing ideas out. Everyone sees the market differently as well, don't they? So do us a favour. subscribe to this channel, give us a like, give us shit in the comments if you want. Absolutely anything you want. Any ideas? If you want any lessons or any insights of how to trade, what are the best pairs to trade, what sort of analysts that I do, what sort of check sheet I've got, what sort of things I look for in the market, my entry criterias. People sell this in courses, and do you know what? I'll fucking give it you all for free. I'll absolutely just pour it all out to you. But I can only do that if people start subscribing to my channel. I know it's a bit shit at the minute. I know I've not got this awesome intro and I can't put like my little signature in the bottom right corner and stuff yet, but fucking we're making money. I've made an absolute killer today. It's Monday morning. If I don't trade for the rest of the week, then I've still made more than enough to live on, put it that way. And I was at my computer from, I'll say 9 o'clock till probably about 2, I think it were. I come out of it. And then that's why I started recording this for you. I'll upload this now. But yeah, appreciate the love. Just drop me a comment, drop me a fire emoji. Any of the guys that was in the chat again today, I know half of you are my mates, but fucking if you made money, put a little fire emoji. And yeah, see you tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Apart from we're at Dave this morning, fucking late as always. But yeah, let's see what the market does overnight and do some more trading tomorrow. This is where the discipline comes in as well, guys. Just before I go, what I used to do is I'd make my money. I've got an alert coming on now on someone. I'm gonna have to not trade it, and it's just literally telling me that it's in my POI. But what I used to do is trade it, and then all the money I've made, I end up giving back to the market. But fuck me, that Japanese yen, look at it. I called it earlier, look, I was waiting for it to come out of the fucking zone, and then it was all on its way down. There you go. Fucking textbook. But you know what? Discipline. I'm not going to trade it. I'm going to wait. I'll call it, on video. I reckon we get down to the 61472. This would have been the trade that I'd took. I'd have got in here. I'd have had my stop loss. Above this little structure here, because if it come to retest and then come down, not interested. And look at that. Fucking look at that risk to reward ratio there. Like, honestly, lads, I've been doing this now for, when did I start learning it? 2018. And I fucking blew money doing stupid shit, like just jumping into a trade like now. So don't just do it. But I've been waiting for that all day, and as soon as it broke this badger here, we should have been in. But I've been doing this video for you guys. Come back later. I guarantee that hits down here now, and that would have been fucking hell. If we'd have got that, I probably wouldn't have come to my computer tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, peace out. I hope you enjoy the video. Like I say, subscribe so I can get some Christmas presents for the kids and stuff. Cheers.